Good day, everybody. Hope everyone is having an amazing one. This is Brianna Weatherspoon, Busy Bee, and I am live here. Well, I'm in a parking lot at the corner of William Cannon 35 here in South Austin. Now, as many folks know, I am all about community and I love cars and racing. So when I heard that my car buddies were working with a national nonprofit on a cruise here in Austin that would be benefiting kids with cancer, I just knew I had to ride along. Come along with me and let's check it out. It's 7 a.m. and we're getting the final details before driving to San Marcos. All strapped up and here we go. I was excited to be paired with the lovely Julie Amaral and her orange 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1. Named Orange Julius, she has owned her sweet ride for 3 years, and she shared her story about how the stars aligned and she found the car, maintaining and driving her baby, and her unfolding car journey. This is her first cruise to the Capitol, but she loves doing events like this as often as she can. Next thing I knew, we had arrived, and all that was left was for us to wait for the kids to arrive and for the cruise to begin. I love seeing familiar faces. Hi, Jay. Hi, Glenn. The big shopping cart, y'all, and there's Sean doing his thing. Once we parked, we got out of the vehicles and joined the rest of our car friends to welcome the amazing kids. The Sunshine Kids Foundation is a 501c3 dedicated to providing positive group activities to kids with cancer since 1982. Based in Houston, the organization curates many programs and produces national and regional events for the thousands of children across the country. When their team makes an Austin stop, they reach out to my friend Sean Jones of SRE Promotions to organize and rally our community to bring out amazing rides. It's quite wonderful to see everyone come together and hear the stories and see the care taken in their cars. This pink and white Jeep owned by Denise Brooks called Nobody Fights Alone Pink Farrago features the name of cancer survivors. Denise is one herself, so she loves these kinds of events. Once the kids arrived and selected their vehicles, it was time for us to jump back in the cars and onto 35 so we could head towards the state capitol building. I really liked this part because it meant a lot to see the staff members and the facility workers waving goodbye to the kids that they see every day. Such an event like this, I'm sure, is not something they get to do very often. And so I know I felt honored, even just being along for the ride, to do this with these kids. Once we hit Frontage Road, we were off. Now, as a stowaway in the back seat, I listened to Julie and her rider chat, and I just marveled at how organized the cruise was. I mean, a presidential escort? It's a rare occurrence after all. And then, of course, good old Texas weather came into play, dumping heavy rain as we made it to downtown, but we did arrive safely so our rider could continue on with her Austin adventure. As for the rest of us, we went our separate ways, riding the endorphins that came from a job well done. What an amazing ride, y'all. I am so thankful I got to experience that. It's moments like these that are great reminders that every day is such a blessing, and I am honored that I got to go along so that I could share it with you guys. There are really great folks here in the city of Austin, and it makes me so happy and thankful to be part of such a kind and caring car community. Now, for more on the Sunshine Kids and their great cause, you can find more about them on their website and social media. I'll make sure to include them in the caption below. Well, folks, that's all from me today. This is Brianna Weatherspoon, Busy Bee. Until next time.